Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 40, data handling, section C, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Look at the given data. This is the given data. These numbers are given. Then a frequency distribution of the data is given here. This is called as frequency distribution. Now there are two tables are given, A and B. Okay. Group, tally marks and frequency. Group, tally marks and frequency. Which of the above tables is the frequency table of the given data? Means which of the above tables is correct with respect to this data. So you have to check each one. Means 0 to 10 it's given as 6. Check if there are 6. Then 10 to 20 there are it's shown as 11. Check if they are 11. So here basic logic is in competitive exams we don't have time. So don't waste your time on the things which are same like 0 to 10. 6, 6. Why should you waste your time on anything between 0 to 10? Don't waste it. Then 10 to 20, 11, 10. Yes, this you can check. But instead of checking 10 to 20, because there are 11 numbers and 10 numbers, they are huge. So 20 to 30, there is 4 and there is 5. This is easier to check, right? Or any one of these below. Because 4, 5, 3, it's very easy to check. Okay. So try for 20 to 30. Let's see how many numbers are there between 20 to 30. Okay. So check between 20 to 30. There are 5 elements. So B. Most probably now B is the answer. But check for remaining also now. 30 to 40. You can check there are 4. 40 to 50. You can count them. There are again 4. Now last come to 10 to 20. 10 to 20. There are, just count these. There are 10 elements which are of 10 to 20. So answer is B represents the data. The given bar graph, this bar graph, shows the number of students in the hostel speaking different languages. Okay, various languages. Study the bar graph and answer the following questions. Okay, question number 1. How many students are there in the hostel? Firstly, what is this given? Various languages, Punjabi, Marathi, Bengali, English, Hindi and Tamil. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.